Baby cutie, Mel back again on my Soapbox channel to give you guys yet another video, and today we are here talking about Forex once again, and I'm super excited to get into this because this is something that I was super curious and passionate about yesterday as I was trying to decide whether I was going to go live or go into the demo account. You know, yesterday's video was about demo accounts. We're definitely still in the demo, and this is how I knew I still needed to be in the demo, okay? So basically, I have a trainer who calls out different trade ideas for the week. And sorry about the noise, you guys, but it's just like, y'all know, y'all live life, so noises happen, okay? I'm sure it's not going to bother y'all too much. We'll let that pass. But basically, so as I was about to place a trade, I was going to be placing a pending trade, which is basically the opposite of a market order. So a market order is like, say we're right here and I just want to get in on a trade and I think that the market is about to go down, right? I could just place a trade to sell and it would enter me at market price, which right now would be what, 163.32. So that's a market order. And that's what people use if they're like scalping or doing like extremely like short term. But I find myself more attracted to the pending orders. I mean, I feel like I'm eventually probably do both, but I feel like it's very attractive to me to kind of do pending orders because then you have time to like kind of assess what you think is going to happen. You can kind of like gauge. To me, it just gives me, it feels more safe to me, but I don't know. You could lose either way, but it just seems more safe. So when I was going into my MetaTrader, let me actually just go ahead and show you guys what the T was. Yeah, so I went into MetaTrader and I was about to enter in my values, which is the price, the stop loss, the take profit, and all that stuff. And then I ran into an issue because I'm like, what? Like, literally was my thoughts like, how do I even do this, right? So when you go into trade, it's going to take you to the market execution, okay? So that's like if you want to just get in and out. But if you want to actually place a pending order, you're going to have to click right here. You click the market and then it gives you all these options, okay? And I didn't know which one to click in order to execute the order. So I see that there's a buy limit, there's a buy stop, there's a sell limit, sell stop, and I'm like, okay, so which one is what? Like, you know, I was very confused about that. So that was an indication to me, number one, not ready to go in the live account, because if I don't know this, then definitely don't even play with yourself, okay? So I'm going to explain to you guys here what the difference is between all four of this stuff. Okay, so let's go into whiteboard. And we're going to basically just do this right now, right? Okay, so let's start with a buy limit. Okay, so a buy limit is basically when you anticipate that a market is going to go from a downtrend into an uptrend, okay? So let's look at the market. So if you were right here and you were looking at the market and none of this had happened yet, you might want to place a buy limit order because you anticipate that even though that the market is going down, that it's going to bounce up. So that is when you would go ahead and pick the price of entry. Say you want to enter around right here, your price would be 162.952, and then you would place your stop loss, which would probably be around this area. If you wanted to ensure that, like, say the market kept going down instead of bouncing back up, you don't want to keep losing money as it goes down. So maybe you put your stop loss at about 162.410, and then maybe you want to take profit around this area right here or even right here. So you will put your take profit at 165.362, and that will take you out of the trade so that you're in profit, and it'll take you out of your trade if you are losing money at wherever you place your stop loss. Okay, so I think that that was a very good Oh, oops.
I didn't get.
Sorry. Okay. So we're just going to keep it pushing. So yeah. So the buy limit is basically when you see, I'm going to just make a quick little chart. You see the market going down, but you anticipate that it's going to go up. So then you will place your order this way. Okay. So let's go to, okay, what would be a sell limit then? So it basically would be the same thing, but in reverse. So say the market is going up, but you anticipate that it's going to go down. So the market would probably look something like this. It's trending up, but you anticipate that at some point the market is going to come back down. So you will place a sell limit order. And let's just look at the market real quick. So let's say, yeah, you're right here. You enter the market right here. And you're like, okay, I see the market is going up. I think about right here, I'm going to place my price so I could get into the market. And I'm going to do a sell limit. So, bam, I'm right here. I'm in the game. And then I'll probably put my stop loss around here, like 168.075 in case, you know, the market actually just keeps uptrending. And then you would do your take profit around where you feel comfortable. So maybe you want to play it safe and take profit at about 166.026. Okay, so that will be your sell limit. All right, let's move on. So let's talk about a buy stop. This will also be an option. Okay. So a buy stop is basically when you anticipate for the market to keep going up. So you're trying to get in as you see that it's already going up, but maybe you just want to do a pending order. Like you're like, okay, if it reaches this certain price, then I know that I want to get in on this and I'm going to catch some pips. So a buy stop will be like you just trying to get in on a market that's already trending up. Okay, so you just want to catch whatever pips you can in between. That will be a buy stop. So let's talk about a sell stop. Okay. A sell stop will be the opposite, right? So if you see that the market is trending down and you want to just catch some pips because you just feel like you have the strongest intuition that it's going to keep going down, you want to get in on this. So basically that will be the sell stop. And it asks you all the same questions. So you would still be able to set your stop loss. You would still be able to stop. Hold on, you guys. I want you guys to be able to see me. You still will be able to put in your stop loss and your take profit and all of that. Like, okay, say you're going to do a sell stop, right? And you want to get in on this downward action right now. So maybe you say, if the market reaches 163.243, I'm going to enter the market and I'm going to take profit at somewhere in 162.005 or whatever. Okay, and then you will put your stop loss like somewhere around this area, the 164 area, because if it goes against you in the market, you know, is actually going to be a buyer's market, you want to stop your losses. Okay, and vice versa. So I hope you guys understand this. I think I did a really good job of explaining it. If I did, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below if you guys have any questions. I'm really having fun learning with you guys. I didn't know that I would really enjoy this as much as I do, but I'm actually really kind of enjoying this. This week I'm going to be personally working on just entering trades, entering pending trades, taking trade advice and trade ideas from other people, as well as kind of trying to predict my own analysis and see how that goes in my demo account. Okay, so then the next thing we'll talk about is maybe doing a trade journal. If you guys want a video on the importance of a trade journal and all of that, let me know down below in the comments. But either way, I'm going to keep posting relevant information as I'm learning, because the cool thing about being a beginner is you really know what you need to know. So it's just like, if you go into something and you're like, hold on, what is the buy limit, what is the sell limit, I can make videos on that and also teach myself in the process, because I definitely understand now, but I didn't yesterday. I was like, what is happening? I know nothing about what to do. I don't know how to enter these trades. So yeah. All right, you guys, I'm going to end it here. As always, stay positive, stay cute. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.